Thank you for stopping by today. This is our video on how to edit your products in WooCommerce. Many customers come to us and they would like information on how to do this. It's a very easy task and it'll be easy for you to see and visualize on the screen. As you can see, I am logged into a WooCommerce store of a customer that we are the admin for. On your left hand side, you're going to see the dashboard. You'll come down where it says here on the screen products. As you'll notice, the products, when you hover over products, it will open up a tab. So go ahead and hover and click on the word products. At that point, you should be taken to your products page. So there's a couple of ways to do this. Let's talk about the down and dirty, fast, easy way to do this. If you have multiple products, you may want to come up here and search for that product that you want. In this case, I'm going to put in Spa Technologies. And as you can see, it dropped down a number of products that have that name. I'm going to click on Search. And it will pull up on your screen all of those items related to your search. Now the long way to do this is to hover over, and you'll see when you hover over there is a quick menu. There's Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, View, and Duplicate. We're going to cover Edit and Quick Edit. Let's start with Quick Edit. Quick Edit would be something we'd use to just manipulate one item. For example, under this product, Spa Technologies Omega Cuticles Repair Serum, I'm going to click Quick Edit. This will open up another screen. That screen will allow us to view the title, which is right here, the page slug, and other details, the product tags, the SKU number, the pricing, and in many cases you're going to want to put this on sale. So let's say we're going to sell this item now for 20%. So we have a 94. So it's going to be $75.99. We would enter that $75.99 right here and simply go to update. However, we could update other items, on this screen that would be beneficial to our situation. However, at this point, we just wanted to change that one item and put it on sale, which was at 20%. And now we'll come down here to the bottom right and we'll click Update. Once we update, we'll go back to the Quick View. We'll hover over and we're going to right-click and open New Tab. When we open the new tab, we should see our product with a sale price. And there you have it. You can see that the product has been discounted and reflects a discounted price, and all is well. Okay. Now, you're happy with the price and those little issues, but you're scrolling down and you may want to change these other details. The product tags, the description, and so forth. In that case, we're going to go back to our product tabs and we're going to go into Edit. Incidentally, folks, let me go back here again real quick. If you had many products with a product tag, let's say that we've used the product tag Spa Technologies as a manufacturer tag. So all of our Spa Technologies products right here should be listed. Now, there are plugins that you can buy that will allow you to do bulk edits of pricing and wholesale pricing and so forth. But if you want to do it yourself, the way to do it is to do the quick edit. And of course, you see that we've changed the pricing. We had a sale price in there. And instantly, don't get alarmed, folks. Once you put a sale price in, it is that way until you update it. So we'll put the pricing in, but we're going to do it a different way. Okay. So here we go. We'll cancel that, and we're back into our products page. So we're going to open the product under Edit. So remember, we went Products, and that pulled up all products. And now we've searched for the product we want. And the Edit Product page is where you basically could change, you could add a product up here, or you could change any of this information, the title. You can change the permalinks of that by simply clicking Edit. In this case, we don't want to change that. This is where your large text screen, your visual and text area. This is your long version of the description of your product, and you can put in any information you want. As you see here, there's some descriptive information. Now, to make these things work, to look the way they want them to look, it's important to know the code. But for your purposes, if you let that be theme driven, the theme will probably take over and do that for you. So now we have this product, and you'll see as we scroll down, there are more informational blocks to fill out, and you can come down and decide whether this is a simple product, it's grouped with others, if it's an affiliate or external product, or a product with variables. Product with variables would be a product with a different color, different size, some attribute where possibly the various color may or may not have separate pricing. And as you can see here in our edit screen, it does reflect the sale price. This is driven by the product tab right here. You'll see that you can set the manufacturer's SKU number, display a price, and a sale price. Now in this case, you can also schedule from today's date. You can use the handy little calculator on the side. If you just click it, it opens. You click it again and it closes. And that will set your product for a certain date and time that you want it on sale. Nothing to worry about. Let's say till March 18th. So we'll come in here and we'll go to March 18th. And from today's date would be the 4th. So that will be on sale from the 4th to the 18th. Now, if the product is not on sale, you simply remove the sale price, and you can also say cancel right here, and of course that will take that out. Here's a tab for how much stock and quantity, which is your inventories tab, your stock status, and if you want to allow back orders, you can allow but notify customer through email that it is on back order. And then we'll come down to shipping. This would be where if you had this tied to a shipping module such as UPS or some of the shipping parameters, you'd enter in your weight, the dimensions of the package, and set a shipping class. In this case, this does not have a shipping class. Linked products. Now this linked products is important because this is where you tell your customer, in upsells, for example, it says upsells right here. And you would they would go through the cart process, and when they're checking out, it would say you would also like, and it would display some products. And how you put these products in here is you type in your products. Let's say Spa Technologies, and you'll see that it automatically drops down with some recommendations. So you can just click on that. And the same thing for cross-sells. Now, of course, we don't want that in there right now, so we'll lose that. You can group selected products together. So now we'll go to attributes. Attributes would be some type of custom product attribute that you want to put with the product. This one, of course, does not. You have an advanced tab, allows you to make purchase notes, put in your menu order if you want that in a certain order in the menu, and enable reviews. This customer has an SEO and a Google Merchant plugin, and so we're not going to cover the Google Merchant in this. Now, there you did see down here there's some SEO. This is SEO by Yoast. We'll talk about that in another video. And now you'll see this one is already published. We selected a product category. Product tags are very important, and as you'll see, this is a cuticles repair serum, an Omega Spa Technologies, and this was taken from this title piece right here. Very important to break this down. Use, this would be a tag. This would, this would be, the Omega would be a tag. Cuticles, cuticle repair serum would be a tag. The more, the merrier, and that gives product cross-reference to your customer. And then we'll go excuse me, into the product gallery. In the product gallery, in this case, you would want this is where you set in your pictures. You will possibly see a lot of pictures in your gallery. You can also upload those from your computer. And in this case, we'll just go through and see if we can find the image for that. And that was a cuticles repair, and it's probably not going to be that handy for me. But we'll go ahead and just throw in a picture anyway so you can see how that works. And we'll come down here in the bottom after this is uploaded. And you'll see it's in there. You'll see the size, and we'll add it to the gallery. As you can see, that is on the gallery. And here's a product image. And now let's go show you on the front end side what that's actually doing. The product gallery sets the gallery for the product. So you'll see in here, we haven't saved it yet. But if we had another product, we should have this product as a smaller image, and that way you can scroll over the, mouse over the image, and it will pull it up. But we'll go back to our product edits, and so we talked about product tags. I'm going to delete that product photo because it's not the right product. Remove your product image. This is where your main product, and it's done the exact same way as the product gallery image as well. So in the case of our customer here, she just has one picture, but if this were, say, a shirt or a garment, you might want a picture of your model front facing, one facing the back, one facing the side, and this would create a gallery underneath your product on the front side that you could click on and view the product in context. So that is a rough, short version. Now, when you scroll down to the bottom, you also see a product short description. This moisturizing serum is what is going to show on the front of the page. It's very important. That's this piece right here is this piece right here. The short product description is what shows next to your product above the pricing normally. The long form description that we saw earlier is down into your product description. And people ask me all the time, well, what is the difference? Well, quite frankly, you'll see a little thing here that I'm going to show you. In this case, products that were recently added, you'll notice variables between the amount of text that's in each column, which causes these to be skewed. They're not really straight across. They kind of go in a zagged line. For purposes of your shop, you should try to keep your description as good as possible and the same amount of text for each column, which will line up those cart buttons underneath in a nice professional way for you. The theme automatically takes care of it. What drives these column heights are these short descriptions, which are found down here in your WooCommerce tabs, product short descriptions. So we haven't really modified this product at all, but that is how you do that. And when you're done, you click update. You'll see the little indicator moving around here to your right on the screen. And then once it's all done spinning, you can go to the front and check out your product. And if you're just changing to a sale price, you'll see that reflected. If you're changing major portions like adding gallery pictures, they will show up underneath here, your product description, and then your tags. And these tags are very helpful for cross-reference. So that is it for our introductory video on how to edit your products in WooCommerce. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please email us at sales@hostpuppies.com, and we appreciate your time.